Okay, kids, you ready? There's a surprise outside for you. What do you see, huh? What do you see? Go, 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 go. Hey, look, it snowed. First snow of the year, November 10th, 2014. And we're supposed to get between 8 and 14 inches of snow today. And it is coming down. It is quarter to 8 right now. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really coming down. This is supposed to be a 2-day snow event. And 8 to 14 inches. Oh. There's Whiskey. And then there's Sadie, and they're playing. Come on, Whiskey, let's go. No. Okay, more later. Bye. Come on, Whiskey.